Namaste all. I hope you're doing good. So today I came here again with another art activity. This is called embossing. So before I proceed to the this activity, I want to request you, please like my video and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. So this is like tutorial videos. Almost every day you will get one video on where you will find many different techniques, different art style with different medium, like as such sketch pen, shading, coloring, oil pastel, and like oil paint, acrylic paint, watercolor, this kind of painting. So for that, you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for quick notification. Okay, so now I am going to the activity. This is called embossing art, or like pop-up 3D art. And for this we need oil pastel and scissor, a small piece of thermocol, and papers. So let's start. I'm going to do underwater scenery. Okay, and kids, I'm sure that you are going to enjoy it a lot. So first, underwater means there should be fishes. So I'm drawing fish. See, first you can draw a heart shape for the lips of the fish, and a circle for the body, and just back side you can use the fin. So this picture we are going to cut and paste also. So first I am drawing on this paper. Again I will cut and paste on another piece of paper. So, to know the entire activity, please be with us. So underwater, little imaginary I'm doing. So it's like a mermaid. I'm trying to make the video short. Okay, so that's why I kept this drawing after coloring ready only. So the mermaid, it has a long tail and some scale also. Now the eye. Okay, a mermaid is ready, and now I'm going to draw a tortoise, sea turtle. This I'm drawing very easy way, because most of my viewer are like young child, so they should be able to draw. That's my main intention, to make the things more easy. If you follow the step, I'm sure definitely you will be able to draw this. And if you want to learn any specific art technique, if you know, then comment in the comment section. Okay, now the drawing is done. So now I will start with the coloring. For coloring, I'm using again oil pastels, and coloring is very easy. First, for the fishes, I'm using orange color upside, and I'm using two colors actually. Up it is orange, and bottom it's yellow. Here at the joint part both can merge together, and pink color for the lips, and the inside the mouth I'm doing brown. The eyeball it's black. Okay, similarly for this also. So now I'm not showing this one, I'm going towards this mermaid. Here the hair I'm doing with the dark brown color. I am doing it quickly so that I can finish the video in very short time, but you don't need to be quick. You can take your own time, make it more beautiful as it is possible. So here purple and white I mixed here just to show add the shading kind of. Half of the thing I'm doing with purple and pink little bit, and then white at the edge. And I'm adding for the fin, I'm adding little bit gray color. Here it's light green color. And skin color for the skin. So for skin tone you can add some white, also a little bit orange for just to add some shading. Okay, this also done. Now for the tortoise, yesterday I kept one video and people liking it, so I am getting more motivation to do videos again and again. So this is how I will show you different techniques almost every day. And here it is gray color. Also I take online classes. If you want to join my class, it is evening like 4:30 I start. I have different batches also for weekend also. So according to the age group I take class. If you want to join, you can contact me. I will give the number with today's video. Okay, here I'm using deep yellow, and for the stomach it is lemon yellow, and here I'm adding white to it. Okay, so after finish this coloring, we need to cut this picture within the shape. Within the shape we need to cut this picture. So for cutting you can take, if you are not comfortable with the using scissors, you can take elders' help, but don't try by yourself. If you are not comfortable with, it might be dangerous for you. So this is the picture. Now we are going to cut it. So I kept some cutouts ready here. Okay, the same thing which I did just now, I kept ready. Now I'm going to paste it on this big paper. It's a little bit bigger than the A4 size, A3 size. So first I need to do the background for it. So for the background, I'm adding some stones, underwater stones has to be there, and some seaweeds. Okay, this is only the drawing. So first for the stone I'm using black, and then dark brown, and on top it is yellow ochre. These three for all the stones. Okay. So art, it's a therapy. Now in this corona pandemic situation, to keep yourself motivated and to be distressed, you can use this therapy as a weapons. The joy of creation you have to have always. And those who like art, I think everyone likes art, but only the problem is some people can do, some people cannot. But the technique which I am showing here is suitable for everyone. And just you need to follow the instruction and step-by-step process. That's it. See, half of the plant, this seaweeds, I'm doing dark green. Another half I'm doing it light green. So everywhere you're learning like the mixing process, the color mixing technique, okay, which is not so difficult. It is very easy. Just you need to follow the instruction. That's it. The dark green and light green, it has to merge properly, and always light color you can merge over the dark one. So that's how it will be. Okay, now I'm going to do the water. Okay, for water I just took out the paper from this color and I'm holding it like straight, and then keeping my hands like I'm curving my this thing for that water effect. First I'm doing with the light blue color. Once it is done, I will use dark blue also. So this will give nice wavy effect. The dark blue also the same way. So in this way you will get 2-3 shades of water, like dark blue, light blue, and white is already there. Okay, so nice water effect you can see. Now I'm using small thermocol pieces, though thermocol is not eco-friendly, so you can use some other which you can just pop up. And I'm using glue. You can use any glue, Fevicol or Fevikwik, both the side I can put, and I'm pasting it here. And one fish I will paste here, the facing towards down. So this is giving the 3D effect. Okay, you need very small piece of thermocol, so you don't need to buy for it. You can get it anywhere at home only. The another fish I'm just pasting here. You can paste it anywhere, wherever you want to. So here I'm giving the tortoise. We need little long one for the mermaid. Now I'm keeping it for the mermaid. Just make sure the thermocol should not be visible. It looks very bad if it is visible there. So I have one more thing, that is the seahorse. Okay, seahorse is it's really tiny. So where should I paste? Maybe here. So this is done. My work is done for today, and it looks nice, I think. Okay, this is 3D pop-up embossing, whatever you can say, art technique. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and if you want anything you can please comment on my comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.